Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another what I ate in a day for you. This is obviously to go along with my keto lifestyle videos and weight loss videos. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you what I ate today. So this breakfast is super simple if you're in a rush. It's nice, quick and easy. All it is 2 bits of shortcut bacon and just fried in a pan with some olive oil. I then am going to use the same pan and cook some eggs in it. I cook them so that they're with a runny yolk, which is to my preference. And then I'm going to put the bacon aside on a plate, and then I'm going to add some cheese slices to it. Flip my eggs, wait for them to cook a little bit more on the other side, and then I'm going to pop them on the bacon and cheese when they're ready. So the bacon kind of acts as toast in this case. And then I just serve it up with a cup of tea with a dash of full cream milk and an equal, and there is my breakfast. I usually put some salt on this as well. Oh my god, there's the yolk. My mouth is watering. For lunch, I'm having a taco bowl, and I have had leftovers from the night before on this day. So there's my leftover mince. I've just heated it up in the microwave, and you can see it's just got some onion in there. I'm adding in some cheese and carrot and lettuce. I know I did show the tacos in my last video, and this was actually leftovers from that, but it just shows another way that you can eat the taco mince, and it's just such a go-to easy meal as well. You can even freeze the mince and then pull it out when you're ready, and yeah, it tastes delicious. For dinner, I have my keto rissoles. I will have the recipe linked down below, but I'm just chopping up some vegetables and I'm going to steam them. So I have some red capsicum and some green beans, as well as asparagus, broccolini, and also a carrot. Now, the carrot I just use in moderation. I would probably try and avoid carrot if you're trying to get into ketosis, but if you are someone like me who has been on this diet for quite some time, I find it's very okay in moderation. Here's my rissole mince before I've cooked it, obviously. So just mixing that up, and then I'm going to pop it in a pan with some olive oil. Before I do that, I roll them in coconut flour. As I said, the full recipe will be linked down below with everything that's in the rissoles. But then I'm just going to cook them and wait for my veggies to cook as well. This is such a go-to meal for me as well. Really easy again, and the rissoles do freeze quite well. And this makes me leftovers for a couple of days. Now, I can't have a rissole without sauce, so I use the sauce which has no added sugar. You also serve the vegetables up with some garlic butter. And there you have it, dinner. Now, I seriously love my chocolate, and this has got me through this diet. This is the Lindt 78% cocoa, and I have one, maximum 2 squares, and it just kills those chocolate cravings. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you would like to see more by giving this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!